Shri Dayal Gangwar, Shri Udayan Banerjee, Shri Rajat Kumar, Madam Principal, ANO Madam Kesang, and all my dear friends. I extend a very warm and a hearty welcome to each one of you. First most, I would like to thank each one of you for taking your time out from your heavy schedule and making this program a productive one. First, being a host of today's event, I must tell you all why we have gathered here. Today is 22nd anniversary of the Kargil Vijay Divas, and it's fortunate for us that we are able to celebrate it together.
I prove my blood. I swear I will kill the death. This is what late Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey wrote in his personal diary during Kargil conflict. We here have gathered here to commemorate the Kargil Vijay Divas, which is celebrated every year on 26th of July to commemorate the success of Operation Vijay. The Kargil conflict witnessed some of the most daring acts of bravery of Indian Army. Today, we are here to honor the Kargil war heroes.
To come over the stage to lighten up the lamp.
बर्फीली उन चट्टानों पे तू शोला बन के लड़ता रहा जिस्मों के जख्म नहीं देखे बस आगे बढ़ता रहा दुश्मन का हौसला चूर किया उन्हें हारने पे मजबूर किया जब गोली लगी तेरे सीने पे तब ठहर गई मेरी सांसें जब तूने मुझे अलविदा कहा तो बरस पड़ी मेरी आँखें
A very pleasant day to you all. So I'm here to deliver a speech on Kargil Vijay Divas. As we all know that India is a land of brave warriors. Our Indian Army is full of such warriors. And in this year, the Indian Army, the Indian Prime Minister of that time, Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, declared Operation Vijay's success. From then, the day is called the Kargil Vijay Divas or Kargil War Day. Every year, this day is celebrated to honor the sacrifice of all the lives that were lost or harmed. This day is celebrated in the Kargil sector and the national capital, New Delhi, where the Prime Minister of India pays homage to remembrance of the lost heroes. The intention behind such a program is not just to pay tribute to
Drukadma Karpur School would love to say a few words on Kargil Vijay Divas. On this day, 26th of July, India successfully took command of the high outpost in 1999. As we all know that the Kargil war was fought for more than 60 days as it resulted in loss of many lives. Kargil Vijay Divas is celebrated in honor of all the Kargil war heroes who sacrificed their lives for our beloved nation. So I would like to shed some light on the brave personality of Kargil War, Captain K. Nachiket. Group Captain K. Nachiket was the first and the only prisoner of Kargil War. He was serving in the number 9 Squadron of Indian Air Force as the flight lieutenant. On 27 May 1999, his MiG-27 was shot by the Pakistani troops when he was serving at the War HIT area of Batarik sector. He remained at the Pakistan custody for more than a period of 8 days, and later he was handed to the International Committee of the Red Cross in Pakistan and returned to India through the Wakha border. For his bravery, he was awarded Vijay Sena Medal, among many other medals like Operation Vijay Star, Operation Vijay Medal, Special Service, and etc.
Good day, everyone. Firstly, I would like to thank our guest to take your time from your busy schedule. I would really appreciate for your time today. And secondly, I would like to thank Ma'am Kesangle ANO of NCC cadets and all the NCC cadets for your time and making this program a very successful one. Though we have decided to celebrate this day yesterday itself, and I'm very proud of my cadets that you have made it a very successful one. So thank you, each one of you. As you have shared your views and the history of Kargil War, Kargil Vijay Divas, and every year we celebrate this day on 26th of July, right, as the Kargil Vijay Divas. So this day is very special to us, and being an Indian citizen, I personally feel that such day must be celebrated in each and every school. And the main reason behind celebrating this day is to make our students more aware about such important day in the history of India. So
मैंने एक कविता लिखी है जो मैं आप सबके सामने प्रस्तुत करना चाहूँगी। मेरे इस कविता का शीर्षक है भारत के वीर जवान। वह भारत के अमरदीप है जो इस मिट्टी के लिए शहीद हुए, देता इस तिरंगे को सलाम हमेशा, है वो भारत के वीर जवान। खून की नदियाँ बहाई थी अपनों से बिछड़ कर, वो जीत की गीत गाए थे जिन्होंने, उन वीरों को मेरा शत शत नमन। अपने प्राणों की बलि देकर भारत माँ का मान बढ़ाया, सरहद पर मर मिटने वाले अजर अमर सब हो जाएंगे। शहीद होकर भी उन्होंने अपने देश का मान रखा था, मरकर भी हम इन वीरों का कैसे कर चुका पाएंगे। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद जिले।
Padma Ladul, she is going to talk on Gunjan Saxena.
Of us is very proud and grateful, but only few of us talks about the courage and the bravery of one and only women IAF during Kargil War, that is Gunjan Saxena. In the Kargil War, she have clearly shown us that women are no less than a men and inspired all of us.
सदियों से हमने इसको अपने खून से पाला है। नमन अधिनायक जय है, भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल।
Come cheap, we also had to carry some beers, a tribute to the martyrs of India. Good day everyone. So today is Kargil Vijay Divas, as all my friends had already told you. The day is very auspicious as our soldiers have sacrificed for our country. I, Mantu Glamo, on behalf of NCC cadets, heartedly thank you each and everyone for attending our occasion, as we all know that it is a period of pandemic and we got a very little time for the preparation. End of my speech. Thank you once again. Jai Hind.
की संतानों, कारगिल के वीर जवानों, मेरी आन के लिए, मेरी शान के लिए, तूने हंस के दे दी अपनी जान।